Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Did you know your body has a built-in system that can clean damaged cells, slow aging, keep you lean, and even protect against serious diseases? Japanese doctors who live into their 90s and 100s understand this system, and most people never use it. Stay until the end, because the final daily habit activates deep cellular healing better than supplements. Japan is home to some of the longest living doctors in the world. They don't rely on constant medication. They don't overeat. They focus on daily habits that allow the body to heal itself. Their secret isn't genetics. It's how they eat, when they eat, and what they avoid. Inside your body is a powerful self-cleaning system. Old and damaged cell parts are broken down, recycled, and replaced with stronger, healthier cells. This process keeps cells efficient, reduces inflammation, and supports longevity. Without this system, cells cannot survive long-term. This self-cleaning mode becomes most active when the body is not constantly digesting food. Constant eating shuts this system down. Late-night snacks, sugar, refined flour, and processed foods keep the body in digestion mode all day. Your body can either digest or repair. It cannot do both at the same time. If this is making sense, keep watching, because next are the exact daily eating habits Japanese longevity doctors follow. Like this video if you want to age with strength, not sickness.
One of the most powerful longevity habits is creating daily time without food. A fasting window of 12 to 16 hours allows the body to switch from digestion to deep cellular repair. Early dinner, late breakfast. No late-night snacking, better metabolism. More antioxidants, improved cellular repair. Slower aging. Many older Japanese adults naturally eat this way without calling it fasting. For beginners, a 12-hour window is a perfect starting point. For example, if you finish your dinner by 7 p.m., you would wait to eat your breakfast until after 7 a.m. the next morning. Once you become comfortable with a 12-hour fasting window, you might consider gradually extending it to 14 or even 16 hours, which is where many of the deeper benefits of autophagy begin to take hold. It is common in traditional Japanese culture to eat an earlier dinner, eat a lighter dinner, and then not eat again until a modest breakfast the following morning. To make this habit work for you, consistency is more important than perfection. The key is to avoid eating late at night. Another powerful habit is stopping before you feel full. Eating until about 80% full reduces metabolic stress and supports the body's natural cleaning process. This prevents excess weight, inflammation, and constant insulin spikes. Longevity comes from lightness, not excess. Put your fork down between bites. Put your chopsticks down between bites. Chew each mouthful thoroughly. Savor the flavors. Notice the textures. Halfway through your meal, pause and ask, "How hungry am I right now?" Eat consciously. Stop when satisfied but not stuffed. End meals feeling light and comfortable, not heavy and lethargic. Paired with a daily fasting window, Harahachi-bu creates powerful synergy.
Daily foundation: foods, vegetables, sea vegetables, fermented foods, legumes, fish, whole grains. These foods provide enzymes, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that support digestion and reduce inflammation. Fresh carrot or apple juice in the morning. Black tea with ginger and natural dark sugar. Plenty of water. Start with half a glass. Wait 10 to 20 minutes before solid food. Pair with healthy fats to slow sugar absorption. Liquid meals provide nourishment without overwhelming digestion. A healthy gut is essential for longevity. Enzyme-rich foods, fermented foods, and hydration reduce metabolic stress. Starting the day with water supports cleansing and circulation. Green tea provides antioxidants that support metabolism and cellular protection. Processed foods, refined sugar, white flour, processed meats. These spike insulin and suppress the body's self-healing system. By consciously reducing or eliminating these items, you clear the way for repair. Finish your last meal several hours before bed to protect the overnight healing window. This is when autophagy should be at its peak. Choose foods that nourish, not burden. Japanese longevity doctors don't chase youth. They protect the body's natural ability to repair itself. Eat real food, eat less, take breaks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your body already knows how to heal, if you let it. Create a daily fasting window of 12 to 16 hours to switch from digestion to deep repair. Practice eating until about 80% full to reduce metabolic stress. Build meals around vegetables, sea vegetables, fermented foods, legumes, fish, and whole grains. Start mornings with water and gentle liquids. Wait 10 to 20 minutes before solids. Minimize processed foods, sugar, refined flour, and processed meats to protect repair. Consistency over perfection. Small steps, repeated daily. Choose habits that honor your body's wisdom. Here's to strength, clarity, and a long, healthy life. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe channel.